In this video, I'm walking through the Detective.Kusto platform. This is a platform built by Microsoft that helps learners to enhance their KQL queries and how to log in or how to register to this platform is explained in another video that I'll paste the link in description. But in this video, since I have already registered, I'm I, I am not able to show that. Check out the description and register and log in. After you log in, you will be taken to this page and you would have inbox. You would have to next go through the inbox to proceed proceed ahead. Skip these challenges. These are the challenges given for the practice. Skip this as well. Now you are in the inbox, and here either say train me for cases, it will uh, open the Azure Data Explorer with the table and the KQL queries. Or you can scroll down and see there are some already cases available, some KQL queries and cases available. You can click on them. You will be taken through the same Azure Data Explorer. Now I am in the Azure Data Explorer. Here you can see the table, detective cases table already open. On the right side, you see on the left side, you see your databases and you can see the tables, detective cases table, and there is another table onboarding. But for this exercise, we are playing with the detective cases table. So I have just run a detective cases table to see what is the content of it. And also there is another option you can go to help section where there are some simple exercises that will help you to get familiar with KQL. So here I'm clicked on the three dots and went to open tutorials and opening basic data. Basic data use case. Yeah, here this is a basic tutorial available. It will help you to understand basic commands. And again, it is coming with some tables and databases. Here in this example, storm events table is being used. Storm events table is under samples database. Under the table section, you can see the storm events database, sorry, storm events table. Now I'm just running storm events table to see what are the contents of it. You can see the content. You can see the content there. You have start time, end time of the storm event, and what is the state the storm event has occurred, and what is the type of storm event, and so on. So